Good afternoon, we're back at the Gidropress. And today we'll see how you can straighten a large steel ring if it's not perfectly round.
Gidropress offers modern solutions for the metallurgical industry. Among the tasks our presses handle are the straightening of steel and titanium rings.
A ring that is sent for straightening on the expander may develop various geometric defects. These include out of roundness, ellipticity, and uneven thickness. Today we will look at a defect called out of roundness. This defect can occur after forging on forging presses or after machining the workpiece.
Our measurements showed that the rings are within tolerance, that is plus or minus 1 millimeter according to the customer's technical specifications. But now we will deliberately change that. Sergei Mikhailovich, it's your move.
On the stamping press, we're now going to make ovals out of these three beauties, about 5 millimeters in diameter.
Daria Leonidovna, I accept the work.
This is our option. Expander, it's your turn now. Sansanik, we need to fix the absence of this ring.
Which Sansanik?
This one.
Alexander Sansanik, fix it.
It's easy for us. We have an argument and a cutter.
Got a better option?
An expander is a press designed for straightening, calibrating deformed rings and giving ring blanks a precise geometric shape after forging or rolling. The expander eliminates ovality, faceting, and other deviations so that the ring becomes perfectly round with specified inner and outer diameters. Now let's ask the specialists how this works.
The operating principle is based on the uniform radial expansion of the rings.
A powerful steel ring-shaped frame withstands high tensile loads. The press is equipped with working segmented cams made of heat-treated 40 kHn steel. These are replaceable components. They are in direct contact with the inner surface of the ring and have channels for lubrication. 3 supporting index rollers are installed on the expander table to rotate the ring to the next position during straightening. The ring is placed on them before straightening. The rollers allow the ring to be turned at a precisely set angle between expansion cycles. What are they needed for? If an oval ring is stretched in only one position, you will only correct the geometry in the areas that are in contact with the stops. At the same time, a misalignment or new deformation may appear in other areas.
Deformation is never perfectly uniform. To press out all the problematic areas, the ring needs to be rotated sequentially and then force should be applied again. This ensures that the adjustment happens evenly around the circumference rather than just in one spot.
Often a ring is not just oval-shaped, but has a faceted form. Straightening such a part requires several cycles of expansion with rotation at specific angles. Indexing rollers make it possible to improve the accuracy of the final product. Without rotating the ring, it is almost impossible to achieve high tolerances. For ovality, for example, less than 0.1 millimeters.
The straightening process looks like this. The first operation is the straightening cycle. We place the ring onto the support rollers, which hold it in place at all times. The hydraulic support stretches the ring. The force exceeds the yield strength of the ring's materials. The metal in the areas of highest stress, such as the groove of the facet, begins to practically float, while the protruding parts deform elastically. The supports retract inward. In this cycle, the ring is rotated by 30 degrees, but a different program can also be set. The CNC system sends a command to the indexing rollers. The indexing rollers have their own drive motor, are pressed against the inner surface of the ring, and rotated by a precisely set angle, for example, 30, 45, or 90 degrees. According to the customer's technology, the ring is sent by a robotic manipulator to the grinding machine, and if the dimensions are within tolerance, proceeds to the machining area. The process is repeated until the ring meets the specified geometric tolerances.
Now let's check the geometry of the ring after straightening. This ring is within tolerance and can be sent for turning.
The expander press handled the task excellently. Gidropress is not just about supplying equipment, it's about solving your problems.